Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. So this is the news article that we are going to read and we will improve our German. We read this news article in German and we will see important words, difficult words and we improve our German. So in dem Land, Russland hat die Fußball-Weltmeisterschaft begonnen. You know that there is a football world championship has started. So this is related to the football world championship. Okay, Germany is also part of that championship. So we are going to read this news. In dem Land Russland means Russia. In Russia hat die Fußball-Weltmeisterschaft begonnen. The World Football Championship has started in Russia. Okay. 32 Mannschaften aus der ganzen Welt nehmen an dem Turnier teil. Total 32 teams from the whole world, aus der ganzen Welt, are participating in this tournament. Turnier means tournament. So teilnehmen, okay, teilnehmen means to participate. Teilnehmen plus an, dative. So 32 teams are participating in this tournament, okay, an dem Turnier. Das Finale ist am 15. Juli and the final match will be on 15th July. Im Auftaktspiel hat Russland 5:0 gegen Saudi-Arabien gewonnen. Im Auftaktspiel. Auftakt means in the opening match, in the first match. Russia is the host and the first match was between Russia and Saudi Arabia, in which Russia has won the match against Saudi Arabia with 5-0. Okay, gewonnen means to win. Russia has won this match. Okay, Russia has won this match. So we'll see these difficult words here. Okay, we'll see these difficult words. So I will write here so that you can see the difficult words here. Just a second. All right. So I will write these words just after reading the complete article. The next page. Die deutsche Mannschaft hat ihr erstes Spiel am Sonntag. The German team has its first match on Sunday. Erstes Spiel, first match on Sunday, am Sonntag. On Sunday, Germany will play its first match. Dann spielt sie gegen das Land Mexiko. And Germany will play against Mexico. Gegen means against, versus. Germany versus Mexico. Deutschland gegen Mexiko. In der Vorrunde muss Deutschland noch gegen Schweden und Südkorea spielen. In der Vorrunde, before that, Germany has to play against Sweden and South Korea. Okay, Südkorea means South Korea. And you can see here, Sweden. Sweden means Sweden, right? So you will note down these words. So these are the difficult words you can note down. Okay, so in the Vorrunde means first round, prelim round. In the prelim round, Germany will play against Sweden and South Korea. Die Erwartungen sind groß. Die Erwartungen, expectations are very high. Everyone is expecting that Germany will again become the world champion as earlier. In history, previously we'll see Germany has won this championship in the past also. So die Erwartungen sind groß. The expectations are very high. Deutschland ist Weltmeister. Germany is world champion. Okay, Germany has become world champion, Weltmeister. So the expectations are high. Viele Menschen gucken das Spiel von der deutschen Mannschaft nicht zu Hause. Many people are watching the match of German team not at home. Means people are not watching these matches at home. They are going in the Kneipe, öffentliche Plätze, in the public arena, and in the churches. Means the big screens have been displayed in the public place, bars, Kneipe, and people are going there and watching the match. Like in India, IPL match is going on. The host is USA. So everyone is watching at home, but there are still many people who are going to the cinema hall. Cinema hall owners have set up the big screen for the cricket match, IPL matches. So likewise, in Germany, soccer is the national game. So there are organizers who have set up the big screen in the public arena, public places. So people are going and watching the match instead of sitting at home and watching. So it's their choice. Dort schauen sie gemeinsam mit anderen zusammen. And there they see the match with others together. Zusammen, together with other people. They enjoy, they find it enjoyable. They have more fun when they watch these matches in the public place with other people. Das nennt man auch public viewing. Das nennt man. It is called public viewing. Public viewing means they are watching in the public place with other audience. In der Stadt Berlin wird eine besonders große Bühne aufgebaut. And in the Berlin, there's a big stage, große Bühne, a big stage has been built, aufbauen. Eine Bühne aufbauen in Berlin. The big stage has been built. Das ist die Fanmeile am Brandenburger Tor. And this is the fan mile, like fan arena for the fans at the Brandenburger Tor. It's a historical place, Brandenburger Tor. So there, one big stage has been set up for the audience, for the people to come and watch the match. Dort können 200,000 Menschen zusammen Fußball gucken. And there, 2 lakh people, 200,000, 2 lakh people together can watch the match. Gucken means watch, ansehen, schauen, gucken, right? So this is the thing that we have seen here. People are watching these things, okay? People are watching. So people are watching these matches and they find it very interesting. So there are a lot of words that we have seen here, some difficult words. You can also note down here, a lot of difficult words, Vorrunde, Gegen, Weltmeister, public viewing, gemeinsam, zusammen, gucken, okay, Fußball gucken. And then here, Auftaktspiel, opening match, gewinnen, teilnehmen, plus an, to participate. So these are difficult words that you must note down. All right. So here I will write some difficult words like teilnehmen plus an. Right? Teilnehmen plus an means to participate. This is dative verb. Okay. Teilnehmen plus an. So you must note down these words. There are some other words that we have seen. Gucken. Gucken means to see, to watch the match. Synonym is schauen. You can also use schauen. Means gucken, to watch. Turnier, tournament. Weltmeister, world champion. Germany has become the world champion. Okay, Weltmeister, right? Note down these words. These are very, very important words. Okay. You must note down these words. These are very, very important. Okay. Turnier. Okay. Weltmeister, world championship. We have seen these words in the text, so you can note down. Auftakt. Auftakt means opening match. I'll just check. Auftakt Spiel. Opening match. Auftakt Spiel means opening match between. We have seen that. And the word gewinnen. Gewinnen is also another word. So we'll see here. Gewinnen. Gewinnen means to win. So like Deutschland hat sein erstes Spiel gewonnen. Germany has won its first match. Okay. This way we can write. Okay. This is the gewinnen means to win. And teilnehmen, similarly, teilnehmen plus an. Right? Okay. So über 30 Mannschaften nehmen daran am Spiel teil. Means over 30 teams are participating in the match. Okay. Über 30 Mannschaften. Teilnehmen. Separable verb. Teil and nehmen am. Right. So this way you can use these words, okay, in the sentences. Gucken. Leute, gucken Fußball. An öffentlichen Plätzen. You can put umlaut, öffentlichen Plätzen. People are watching this match in the public places. Öffentlichen Plätzen. Gucken means to watch. Teilnehmen, gucken, schauen, Auftaktspiele. These are the words that we have seen in the text. So note down these words. These are very, very important. So I hope you like this. So hit the like and subscribe the channel and keep watching, keep learning with us. Bye bye. Take care.